Hello everyone, in this video today we will discuss the second method of sampling, that is non-probability sampling. Like we discussed earlier in probability sampling, that for a member there is an equal chance of getting selected from the population, but in non-probability sampling, for a member does not have an equal chance of getting selected from the population. In this, because the researcher select the member according to his needs or depends heavily on the expertise of their research. Or we can say that the non-probability sample is used when the population parameter are either unknown or not possible to individually identify. It has of four types. First is quota sampling. Under this method, the researcher divide the individual from the population into several classes on the basis of their characteristic. Or in other words, we can say that quota sampling is somewhat similar to stratified sampling, which is a type of probability sampling, in that similar unit are grouped together. However, it differs from the stratified sampling in the way that how the units are selected from the samples. The second type is convenience sample. It is a common type of non-probability sampling where the researcher choose participant from a sample based on their convenience and availability. You can see this type of sampling method used in public places like malls, schools or college campuses, where it is easy to meet and select people as they go by based on the characteristic and criteria of the researcher. We can say that it is a cheap and quick way to collect the people into a sample and also run survey to collect the data. The third type of non-probability sampling is purposive sampling. In this method, the researcher make a conscious decision on what the sample needs to include and choose participant accordingly. It is also called judgmental sampling. It is called judgmental sampling because the researcher identify and select the individual cases or event that can provide the best information to achieve the researcher study objectives. This type of sampling is commonly used in qualitative research. And the last type of non-probability sampling method is snowball sampling. Snowball sampling is also called chain referral sampling, in this sampling method the sample have traits that are rare to find, or an easy way we can say that under this process initial information is obtained by some persons. After this, those people tell the name of some other more people to share the information. This process continues till the desired sample is obtained. This type of sampling is basically used to study informal social problems.